I'm going to be showing you how to tell if a music video is copyrighted or not. So the first thing you want to do is go to YouTube. Then what you want to do is look up the song you want to see if it's copyrighted or not. Let's say I'm going to be using Sneaky Snitch. Then I want to click on the music video. Quite a fire song right there. Then you scroll down to the description. And then if it says Sneaky Snitch, or if it says the music in this video and it shows it, then basically that means it is copyrighted. Now, if I look up non-copyrighted background music, and let's say I did this instrumental one, you would see this doesn't have music in the video, so that means it is not copyrighted. Let's do another one. So this is background music for YouTube videos. These are kind of a little bit suspicious though, so even though it says background music, it doesn't necessarily mean you can use it. So for example, if I do this, yeah, you can't use this since it says music in the video, and then you'll get copyrighted and then you can't monetize your video. However, let's say I used Wii Gaming Music HD. This one right here actually is not copyrighted, as you can see, and there's also shorts remixing this video, meaning that these shorts channels are actually using it because they can still monetize the short. And that was before YouTube paid for copyrighted music and shorts. You can also check by going to your channel and then actually uploading a video, but then making it private so no one sees it. And then if it is copyrighted, it would show it right here. So it would show your monetization was like copyrighted or something. So for example, one right here is one of these videos I did was copyrighted. So if you look at this and click see details, I accidentally used this right here, which I thought you could use, and same with this one, and I didn't check, and now I am ineligible for monetization for this video. So yeah, I definitely recommend, even if it doesn't show anything within the description of the video, always upload the music onto your channel first to make sure.